Hey, how you doing? This is Tom. This is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I hope you had happy holidays. And I've got two more radios from Jeff's collection. This one is the Radio Shack. It's model 12-467 AM and FM pocket radio. He says in his notes it's better reception than most Radio Shack pocket radios. He got this from the Facebook Marketplace, and he says this is a decent alternative to so many of the new cheap radios. So we're going to check it out right here. Got it on AM, and we're going to turn it on. There's on-off volume, earphone jack, band select, tuning. This was I believe, something for maybe a carrying strap and a telescopic antenna, which is, it's pretty long for such a small radio. It's about 20 inches. Uses 3 AAA batteries. So we're going to turn it up and then tune. See if it's directional. Yeah, that's music. Yep, it's directional. So we have to keep it like this.
And we have over 20 of these bad boys, and all of them have
good audio.
How about Bronco?
Plenty of volume.
Plus free samples and free shipping. And I'm Nick Mako. We started Legacy Box over a decade ago to help families organize and update their analog media to digital. Legacy Box is simple and easy. It works and is safe. Over 1 million families have trusted Legacy Box. And like you mentioned the villain being just pure.
Picking up a lot of stations.
Know this, and I never would say anything. And
okay, that's the end of the band. Move down a little bit, and we'll switch to FM. We're going to have to move pretty fast to stay away from music. No, we don't have to hold it that way anymore.
Joey Steele in for Roxanne. 813-582-5222. It could save your life.
Plenty of volume.
Clearwater, Tampa. Y'all knew what
that he's immune from prosecution for acts.
Are you?
Getting a lot of stations. Skipping over some due to the music.
Today. Hey singles, are you ready to upgrade to frequent flyer status and start seeing the world? Then it's time to hop on the Events and Adventures World Tour with trips to Vietnam.
So let us begin. In the name of the Father and of the Son. We go.
All right, bye-bye. So Frank's giving me the finger, but I want to...
Okay, that's the bottom of the band. Excellent condition. I don't see hardly any marks on it at all. Face is perfect. This is all nice and smooth, no scratches. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios. And I want to thank you for stopping by and watching, and have a happy new year. Bye-bye.